Check it out. This is the 2016 to 2021 J200 Land Cruiser running the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay in Android Auto. Look at how nice this wireless CarPlay is showing here on the factory screen. This is truly how the vehicle should have shipped from the factory. We support these J200 Land Cruisers from 2007 all the way through the end in 2021. We're going to have a full installation video that'll show you how to install the brand new Hamilton upgrade kit. I'm going to talk you through some of the primary features today. Long holding the home button on the center panel or the voice speech button on your steering wheel for 3 seconds cycles you between the factory Toyota system and the new Hamilton system. On the factory Toyota system, you can access all of your original apps and features. You won't lose anything. You can continue to use your rear screens for your kids or whomever. You can also use AM, FM, and XM radio. You're not going to lose any factory functionality with this kit. There is all of your factory features. Once again, we can long hold that home button or voice speech key, and we're back in CarPlay. Here in CarPlay, any app that has a CarPlay component is going to automatically show up here. And any music app you use, whether Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, SoundCloud, SiriusXM app, or otherwise, will appear in CarPlay. You'll have your beautiful cover art and all of your songs. Navigation is so much better with CarPlay. You can see here, you can use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or any other Maps app.
Starting route to 8820 Gulf Court.
Siri will read your directions.
Head northeast on Umstead Parkway.
Coming back home here, we have precision tuned this device to use your factory microphone and sound great. That means phone calls will be a breeze, as well as text messages or talking to Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
It's currently cloudy and 70 degrees. Expect clear skies starting early evening. Today's high is 70 and the low is 61.
Coming over here, this is our split screen view. We've got your navigation showing next to your Now Playing, and you'd have notifications that would appear up here. We can come over one more page, and this is the widgets view. We believe Apple will be adding more widgets in the future, but you can see here how you can swipe between these widgets already. How much better is this than the factory system? Shifting to reverse will bring up your original backup camera. We have that 360 surround view showing there as well. You can see all of your original features will continue to work. There was that collision assist showing up. Coming back to park brings you right back into CarPlay, just like a brand new vehicle. Here in music, we can skip songs with the steering wheel, go back and forth. We can also turn the volume up and down. You won't lose any features with this kit. It's designed with top-of-the-line components here in Raleigh, North Carolina. We've had some of the finest engineers in the world working on this. We know these cars get run through a lot of pressure. We have customers in the Middle East and the American South. It's very important for our kit to be robust. That's why we've designed ours with a top-of-the-line processor and an industry-leading heatsink, as well as wiring harnesses that are of OEM quality or better. This makes it so we can back our systems with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. It means that we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. If you have any questions, you can reach me or my team. Give us a call, 919-858-2890. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.